To secure two panels together, you'll notice that they come in two separate panels we've got here. Now you'll see that there are two different types of poles. The panel comes with a pole with an indent, slightly wider, and then the wall mounting kit comes with a smaller pole. Now the smaller poles are only used at the end of the configurations. We use the wider poles when we're joining two panels together. Now what we do first of all is we take the two panels, and we would have worked out where we want our configuration to work. So for example, if we were making a pen, we'd secure them say at 90 degrees, or even a pentagon we could secure them. But for this purpose, we just take a position in here, we line up the two panels, and then we just slot them together, and there's a set of teeth underneath, and they'll just slot into position. We then take our pole, and first of all we insert the pole up through the top, and then what we're trying to do is trying to get the pole from the bottom into the housing. So we just apply a tiny bit of pressure, we can just raise that up and slot that into position, and then your two panels are locked into position.